Hey everyone, welcome back to Today India Career Pulse. If you have received a Cognizant offer letter or if you are waiting for your date of joining and wondering what mails come next, you are in the right place. In this video, I will walk you through the complete journey from offer letter to onboarding day step by step, including all the important mails you will receive, what actions you need to take, and what to expect before your day one. Let's get started. So first, you will receive the Cognizant offer letter mail. This is your official confirmation that you are selected either as a full-time employee or intern. The mail includes your role details, salary package details, candidate name, and your Cognizant ID. This is the beginning of your onboarding journey. Next comes the pre-joining formalities mail. In this mail, they will guide you to log in into the 1C portal, download and connect the Authenticator app, accept the offer officially on the portal. Once you accept it, things move forward quickly. After a successful offer acceptance, you will get an offer letter status update mail. This is just a confirmation from Cognizant side that your offer has been accepted in their records too. Even if you have already accepted, you might receive a reminder mail to accept the offer. That's normal. It is sent to all candidates within 4 to 72 hours. Next comes one of the most important mails, action required. Start your BGV process. This is where your background verification begins. You will need to upload all the necessary documents like mark sheets, ID proofs, internship letters if any, or onboarding photo, etc. If there are any mistakes in your uploads, you will get a rejection mail for specific documents. For example, your onboarding photo was rejected due to incorrect background. Please re-upload. Don't panic, just fix the issue and re-upload it. In about 3 to 4 days after offer acceptance, you will receive a mail with your date of joining and reporting location. This is the moment you have been waiting for, official confirmation of your joining date. Soon after, you will get another mail titled Next Steps on Your Onboarding. It will instruct you to accept your date of joining within 24 hours, so don't delay this step. Once you have done all the above, you will get a mail that says thank you for completing your pre-joining formalities. This means you are now almost ready for day one. If your all BGV is cleared before 5 days of your date of joining, then, around 3 days before you are joining, you will receive a mail that says your onboarding pass is ready. This mail includes your date of joining, location details, link to download your onboarding pass. Super important mail, save it securely. If you haven't received this mail before the 3 days of your date of joining, then there are high chances that you will get a new date of joining. After getting onboarding pass, then comes the onboarding agenda mail. This includes a 5-day plan, what we'll do each day, induction, document verification, Cognizant policies, sessions with mentors, and more. And finally, just before joining, you will receive the mail with your exact reporting location, including building, floor details, and that's it. You are now all set to begin your journey at Cognizant. And before I end this video, I will be posting live polls to track who is getting which updates in this channel. Please participate in that polls. If you have any doubts, please do comment, and even you can discuss this in our Telegram channel. Please respond to the polls which will be posted in this channel. It really helps me to understand how many of you are receiving your updates on time. If this video helped you, please like the video, comment below what stage you are currently at, and subscribe for more useful updates and guidance on your onboarding journey. Thanks for watching and all the best for your Cognizant career. See you in the next video.